you can wave at them sometimes, they will actually wave back.
കടലിൽ നടക്കുന്ന സംഭവങ്ങളൊക്കെ ഇപ്പോൾ ഈ ബോട്ടിൽ യാത്ര ചെയ്താൽ അറിയാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ കേട്ടോ.
Looking up to the left of here, there's quite a large white Italian-style house with several archways. That is Sandridge Park House, all part of the Sandridge estate, very close to a place known as Sandridge Barton. And that was the birthplace of a Captain John Davis. He was a famous navigator and explorer who set sail from the Cheviot in 1585. In his 30s, he commanded two vessels, the Sunshine and the Moonshine, to search for the legendary Northwest Passage between the Atlantic and the Pacific. Although he never found it, it was later discovered to be covered in ice for 9 months of the year. He did go on though to discover the straits named after him between Greenland and Baffin Island, the Davis Straits. He was also partly responsible for discovering Hudson Bay, but probably best remembered as the inventor of the backstaff. That was a sun's altitude measuring device to find your latitude at noon. A forerunner of the sextant, which these days has been more or less completely replaced by the global positioning system. On his last expedition, Captain John Davis was captured by some particularly ferocious